always tell myself I'm doing fine. I don't need help, just need a little time. And I've been so patient, quietly.
Hey guys, Giselle here. Welcome to a summer in Chicago weekend kind of vlog. The last vlog I made for Chicago was sometime in the winter. I think it was sometime in March. It was another road trip from Kansas City to Chicago. When you go to check in for your hotel, make sure you ask for an upgrade. And by the way, this hotel is right in the center of it all. So if you're coming to Chicago, this could be one of the locations you want to look for if you want to book your stay. The first thing you see is going to be the bathroom, very large with a very big mirror, super spacious for 2 people. Crystal and I will be using in this bathroom. I love it. I think it's gorgeous. There's even like a full body mirror right on the door to the bathroom. Next we have our 2 double-sized beds. Then we also have a very cute workstation over here with a huge mirror which we can use to do makeup in the morning to get ready. Ooh, we even have a fridge. What? No, there's nothing in it. This is so cute. We have things for tea right in here. This looks so good. Oh my gosh, the best part, guys. Let's go to the best part, which I think is our view. Oh, do you guys see that? This is amazing. I love it. Before we head out for lunch, this is what we're putting out. A little OOTD daddy moment with a little what do you call this, bodysuit. And Crystal is having a white shirt and denim moment with some flats. That's us, ready to go rock the Chicago area. Let's hurry up. I think
starving.
Yeah. Salut! Oh my god, that looks so good, Crystal.
Olives.
Olives, that's it.
Onions, yeah.
Onions, Thank you.
We get to eat it with the night before.
Ooh, this is so good. Let's put more. This bad boy. He's still not a fan, behave.
Plus they layer, they give you hella toppings.
But maybe I won't ever be enough. Maybe I'm not meant to find love. Cause maybe if I was, there would have been someone already in my life. When is it my turn? Cause all my friends are falling in love. My turn. You're waiting just a little too much for someone to tell me I'm the one. When is it my turn to feel a little love in my life? My turn, cause I've been feeling lonely at night. After breaking my camera, I'm trying to relieve my stress with champagne before I head home for dinner.
Fixes everything. A little bubbly didn't hurt nobody.
We hope so. After this, we're just going to rush home and get ready for dinner. But yeah, cheers. See you guys at dinner. I have been wondering who's gonna come out of the blue. Love me like I ever knew. My turn. Say I'm the one that they choose. Say that they'll love me. Hey. 2, 1. All looking good for dinner tonight. Alright, our Uber is literally waiting for us, so we have to rush out right now. I think he's here. I'm not sure. Gray? Okay, I think I see him. Okay, ready? got the regular butter croissant, and I got the croque monsieur and a hot chocolate, so it's still on its way. Just got fettuccine alfredo from Cheesecake Factory, and now about to devour these, take a shower, get freshened up for our concert. So let me just eat. I'm so hungry. We're thinking of riding bicycles from our hotel to the concert venue.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so we just got dressed. Literally, sport shoes is what we're waiting for this concert. Girl, yeah. And we're so ready. We're actually running behind. We're supposed to take bikes to go to concert, but hey, a little bubbly for the road. Cheers, Crystal. We're just going to go ahead and have these, get to our bikes, and start riding to the concert. Hopefully, we have good spots, but you guys will see us when we get there. So, see you guys at the concert. Bike check. Chris, how are you feeling? Not so good, but good, right?
Every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun's up.
Just dropped our bikes, and now we have to walk for half a mile to get to the stadium. I feel like I'm like drenched. I'm drenched.
I have a leather.
So you can imagine what's happening in there, but we made it safe. To be honest, the pro is we got to see a lot of the riverside.
It was a nice view.
And it was gorgeous. That I would say that was a pro. The con is we took how many minutes?
It was 47.
47 minutes to get your bike ride. I think an Uber would have been good, but the experience was nice.
How much it was?
It was $21. It was $21. Crystal's not pleased about this, but hey, it already happened. There's nothing else we can do.
At least we can laugh about it, right? We're not
we can just suck it up, is what I'm gonna say. So yeah, la vida loca. Let's go see Burna Boy.
Things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move, and I go back to the dreams again. But I shouldn't be sleeping when it's still now, and I'm stuck in my phone.
Go from Chicago. I'm taking my bed.
About to head for our after party called Last. Well, I mean, it's a Burna Boy after party. We're about to get our Uber right now and then head there. So we'll see you guys there. This is our fit for tonight. Alright, see you guys there. Cute. Morning, it's currently 10:38 a.m. and we are heading for our kayaking appointment down here at the river walk. Super excited. This is going to be my second time doing kayaking. The first time was in California some time ago, so I don't think I can remember exactly how that went, but now I get to experience it again here in Chicago. Kayaking, check. Amazing experience. Arm and leg workout for sure. We'll do it next time, but maybe for a shorter time because your girl was, I'm literally wet. I mean, you cannot see it because I'm wearing black pants, but I'm literally wet.
buff.
Yeah, literally buff. But it was such a great experience. We'll 100% recommend if you're in Chicago,
Yeah.
but just get ready with your arms because it was 1 hour.
Wear breathable clothing.
Yes.
Because you will be sweating.
You'll be
Or
sweating.
you might be like Giselle and get your whole body
wet. So maybe
somehow.
wear like shorts. I would say sports attire is what I mean. It's a sport, so literally just wear sports attire. Because I think that's the
like-
best. Okay, you see, she's literally all wet. So just wear something sporty, and I think you'll be good to go.
Oh,
Sports
bring
shoes.
like a fanny pack too.
Oh yeah, bring a fanny pack. Don't be like Giselle.
Yeah.
Bring a fanny pack like Crystal. Don't be like Giselle because I had to put this thing like in between my legs, or you can pay for a locker. I don't remember how much the lockers were, but you could definitely check it out. How much the lockers are.
Stop staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing.
I got the teriyaki chicken and rice, some tea over here. I even got dumplings too. So I got so much food. What did you get, Crystal?
Orange chicken and lo mein. and
Okay.
it's
And
nasty.
I hope that you'll miss it. I stay like now and it's stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best. I know.
You belong to me and I belong to my Oh baby, you're killing somebody.
When is it my turn to feel a little love in my